Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be addressing a common issue that many users encounter: Chrome not opening. If you're frustrated with this problem, don't worry, because we have a solution for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to fix Chrome not opening. Step 1. Begin by locating the Chrome shortcut on your desktop. To do this, simply right-click on the Chrome shortcut icon. Step 2. From the context menu that appears, click on Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where Chrome is installed. Step 3. Once you're in the File Location folder, locate the Chrome application file, right-click on it, and select Rename from the options. Step 4. Give the Chrome application file a new name. For example, you can name it chromenew. After renaming it, press Enter to save the new name. Step 5. Now let's create a new shortcut for the renamed Chrome file. Right-click on the renamed file and select Send To from the options. Then, choose Desktop, Create Shortcut, to create a new shortcut on your desktop. Step 6. Go back to your desktop where the new shortcut is located. Click on the new shortcut to open Chrome. You should now be able to launch Chrome without any issues. Step 7. Lastly, you can delete the older shortcut from your desktop to avoid confusion. Simply right-click on the old Chrome shortcut and select Delete from the options. And there you have it. You have successfully fixed the problem of Chrome not opening by renaming the application file and creating a new shortcut. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Chrome opening issue. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.